Hello investor, I hope everyone is doing great. So the video is coming after a long time and I have so many complaints from the people that why don't you make videos in the English language, because some people cannot understand what I'm talking about in Hindi. By the way, Hindi is our mother tongue and I respect that, but we have to make contents so that everyone can understand. I have made multiple videos in Hindi languages, so I'll try to keep I'll try to make some videos in English language as well, so that South people can understand, that apart from India, some people can understand. So what's happening in Indian market these days? I have the data and I have told multiple times. But again, if you like the content, please hit subscribe button and share this content amongst your friend and everywhere, so that it can be spread at a larger level and many people can have a benefit out of this video. So I have told multiple times that in the Indian market there is an outflow because FIIs are not buying since long, and I'll say that if I remember the exact date, so it should be September 24. They have started selling by FIIs. They have started selling, and I'll say that out of since September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So it's been almost 6 or 7 months. They have bought, I think, 4 or 5 times in these months. So it was a great concern for the investors that why they aren't coming back. And I have told multiple times, if you have a good quality company, it's time to accumulate, not buy. But now people have started saying that, is it the right time to buy? I won't say that again, because what is the exact reason to come in the Indian market, and it's been only 3 or 4 days. So I'll say you can start accumulating, but you don't have to be so aggressive buying many stocks. PSUs can be a good bet in this market, but I'll say that the good companies won't let you down ever. And I have told multiple times what companies I have accumulated. So I have CDSL, I have Motilal Oswal, and I have Care and Heat Exchange, I have Angel One, and from capital market I have a good bet on this capital market. So CDSL, Motilal Oswal, and CAMS, and apart from that, what I have said named, what is that? Sorry, I'm just forgetting the name. BSC. So I have bet on that. Apart from that, consumer durable, I'll say that PGEL, PG Electroplast, then Care and Heat Exchange, and I have suggested to my clients to buy Kirloskar engine oil. If I see the commentary from the Motilal Oswal side, they are expecting it to go up by 70%, and it made a hit of, I think, the upside of maximum 52 weeks high, that was around 1400, and now it's trading at around 746. So it would be a good bet. If you see the price to earning ratio, that is not high that much. So I'll say that there are so many companies, and I'll suggest it is the right time to accumulate those stocks. You haven't you don't have to worry about at what price you have to buy, because price, if you go by the price, that will make you I'll say that that will tease you every time. So you have to be so cautious that irrespective price does matter, because if you don't buy anything at the right price, you will be regretting every time. So price does matter, but if the stocks are down, I think from 52 weeks high, I think 50%, 60%, then you have to make a good bet on those stocks. Because I have a question for Gensol Engineering. Friends, I would like to tell you one thing. When I bought Gensol Engineering, I had a great knowledge about the business, because I'm a retail investor. I don't have that much contact that I go with the people which is in the management. I just follow the conference call which is made by the Gensol, or which is made available by the companies. So we just go through the companies. We try to understand the financials. But if something is going wrong at the back end, company won't come upfront and tell you that it's been happening at our end. So that is something is not available at the paper at the ground level. How would we understand? So I bought that company, but I have told multiple times I buy this stock, and if I get the benefit out of it, I try to keep selling and buying. That is something my mantra. Sometimes I get stuck. Sometimes I feel this is a good company. Then out of 20 stocks, suppose I have a portfolio. So for with 2 stocks or 3 stocks, I can means I may remain in the game for those 3 or 4 stocks, but I'll not be for longer term for every share, because I don't have that much affection with every share. I Because it's a market, it's a buy or sell game. So if you find anything good, you buy it. If you find anything that is good and it has given you that amount you were expecting, you can sell it, you can buy it again. But it's not happening for every share, and it should not be. There are many shares you have to stick for longer term, and that will give you longer term benefit. So if I'll say that BSC, CDSL, if I talk about these companies are directly related to the share market. So till the time share market is going on, people are coming, they are investing, FNO is happening, contracts means like call and option is going on. So these companies will be most benefited out of this the market uh, aspect which happens in the market. So I'll say that this will keep happening for the longer run. So BSC, CDSL, Motilal Oswal, these companies are for the long term. But yeah, there are some shares. If I talk about consumer durable, then we have PGEL, Care and Heat Exchange. They perform good in the summer. I'll say that when heat is at peak, then it works well, because ACs demand, washing machines and everything. I'll say that consumer durables demands goes up. And in the winter season, you normally knows that cooler and ACs, the demand goes down just because of the winter. So they might not perform well. But again, winter and summer, if we compare, so I'll say that winter comes for 3 months hardly, and out of 12 months, summer remains in the picture for the longer run, 9 months, 8 months. And you know that we are sitting in the March, and now you can say that fan is means fan, the people have started using fans, and cooler has been started. And if I go to my company, I have seen that ACs are means working now. So the problem is that you have to understand the deep theory how share market works. And I have told you multiple times, again I'm repeating, that don't go by the numbers, by FIIs. The investment, the inflows are coming, that is for shorter term. You have to wait. If these if this keeps continuing, then you can make your position. Otherwise you have to remain yourself at the verge, and you don't have to go at that deep, you don't have to go at that much at that rate. That should not be that much aggressive. So I'll say again and again, this is something I have been telling to my investors: buy good companies, buy good companies, buy good companies. What do you mean by good companies? I have made short videos of Warren Buffett, Vijay Kedia ji. I have told multiple times what is the use of PE, what is the use of ROC, what is the use of ROE. If you don't understand, just go to the company's site directly, understand the product and what is the demand of that product in the market, what kind of new technology they are bringing to compete with other competitor in the market, and if they are maintaining the margins, profit is going on, sales is going on, then it should be a good bet. So guys, again, now I would say that I am going to wrap up this video, because I have told enough. And still you have enough time to accumulate these shares, quality shares. So if you like the content, please hit the subscribe button and share this content as much as possible. That would give me a motivation, and just because of that motivation, I'll keep making new videos for you, and that might help you in understanding how share market works. what shares may benefit you. And I'm not SEBI registered guy, so don't go blindly just following my thoughts. You must be having your personal advisor. You can have your time with them and just ask them, then make any decision. Don't follow me blindly. Do your own research, use your discretion, then you'll have good profit in the longer in the share market. Again, this is something I means I have been repeating these words since long, since I made my YouTube channel. So thanks a lot, guys.